So here we have a worksheet for our dinosaur theme unit. And it's going to be a Can You Finish the Picture page. It says, I am a dinosaur. I have a long neck. My name is Diplodocus. And here we have an image on our iPad of Diplodocus. So we're just going to draw that. We're going to start with the head. So up here at the top of the neck, I'm going to do a little round curve like that and down. And then I'm going to go around this corner and back to the neck. And that'll be his head. We can give him a little smile. And we can give him a pair of eyes. There we go. Now down here at the bottom of the neck, we're going to do the swooping back and all the way down and around for the tail. So here we go. We're going to do this swooping back, nice and long like that. And then we're going to keep coming down and down and down and way over here and around. That'll be the end of his tail. So now we're going to go back the other direction, but we're going to stop where we would put his back leg. So back we go along where the tail would be. And the tail gets thicker and wider. And we'll stop right around there. So I want to finish off his chest and then his belly and add his legs in. So here from this part of the bottom of the neck, we're going to curve around here and we'll stop there. To do the legs, I'm going to do sort of an upside down U. And I'm going to bring the legs down on this side and down on this side. I'm going to do the same for the back leg. I'm going to do an upside down U. And I'm going to bring the leg down on this side, sort of give it a curve. Down on this side, give it a curve. For the bottom of the feet, I don't want to do a straight line across. I want to do a curved line. Again, same thing here, curved line. Now between the two back legs, we want to finish off the belly. So we'll do a line like that under the belly. Now we need the two other legs that are on the other side of the dinosaur. So here in the front, we're going to do a line that comes down. And on this side, a line that comes down. Let's do the same over here. A line that comes down. They don't have to be perfect straight lines. In fact, a little bit curved looks great. To finish off the feet, we're going to make it a round curve so that these are round, connecting the bottom of those lines. Let's add some toes in. We can do that with what I call little scallops, little upside down W's to make them look like toes. And then you can see in the picture here, there's kind of a lighter side to the underbelly and the under the tail. So we can do that as well. We'll just start up here at the top of the neck. And we'll just kind of do a line that runs along the edge of the neck, all the way down here. And then kind of imagine it's going behind that front leg, all the way here, behind that leg, comes out the other side, comes around and follows the tail and then just kind of disappears into the tail. And there's our Diplodocus. We just need to add some color. We don't know what color dinosaurs were because we don't have any skin left over, and some dinosaurs that we thought had skin actually turns out they have had feathers. But in this picture, he's sort of a greeny blue, so with a yellow belly. Let's color him the same, but you go ahead and color your Diplodocus any color you want. And there's my colored Diplodocus.